Hello Taurus, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Taurus, gratitude. Be grateful for abundance. Live in appreciation for what you have and more good things will come. Napakaganda ng energy na to. This is a reminder for you, Taurus, to always be grateful. Lagi kayong magpasalamat sa lahat ng biyaya na binibigay ng universe sa inyo. Regardless kung anumang klaseng biyaya yan, maliit man o malaki, we should always appreciate it and magpasalamat tayo. Kasi the more na nagpapasalamat tayo, the more na nag-a-acknowledge tayo ng biyaya ng Panginoon, the more na bibigyan tayo ng mas marami pang magagandang bagay, pangyayari, sitwasyon, and even tao sa buhay natin that can support our highest good. When we project gratitude attitude, we are opening more doors para sa mas marami pang blessings, mas marami pang biyaya, mas marami pang magagandang pangyayari sa buhay natin. Partnership, learn to grow with others, overcome obstacles by working together, touch each other's hearts while life lasts. Ayan. So, may mga iba't ibang klaseng partnership na paparating. Partnerships na magpapabago ng takbo ng buhay ninyo. Magpapaganda ng takbo ng buhay ninyo, Taurus. So, yung mga partnership na to could be partnership in love, lalo-lalo na kung single pa kayo, partnership in friendship, collaboration with friends sa proyekto or whatever. Kung sino man ang paparating sa buhay ninyo rito, maaaring siya ay talagang magpapakita ng support din sa inyo, pagtulong sa inyo, love sa inyo. Kaya you're going to be very supportive of each other. Now, this is a really beautiful partnership kasi magtutulungan kayo rito, magdadamayan kayo. We have strength, you have courage, you can endure, find your center and spiral into your power. Ayan, so you are going to activate your inner strength dito. At innate naman sa ating lahat, yung inner strength and courage natin. We just need to activate it. And now, yun ang gagawin ninyo. You're going to activate your inner strength and courage. At malalagpasan ninyo with the help of your partner, kung sino man itong makakasama ninyo sa buhay, magiging bagong parte ng buhay ninyo. Malalagpasan ninyo ang kahit anumang problema. Malalagpasan ninyo kung ano man ang obstacles or kung ano man, na medyo challenging sa buhay ninyo, malalagpasan ninyo yan. What else? We have reconciliation. Merong magandang pagbabate. This is a time for healing, for mending, sa ngayon, and you are going to maybe enter a compromise, or siguro, kayo ngayon yung makikipagbate. Baka you're going to act as the bigger person, sa ngayon, Taurus, and you're going to take that first step para makipag-usap, mag-reach out sa kung sino man ito na maaaring nakagalit ninyo. So remember the source of love. A loving action is all you need to begin the process. Reach out with a simple first step. Yeah. So maaaring kayo nga dito, you're going to expand your heart sa ngayon and you're going to choose love. At gusto lang ninyo na mag-move on na kayo sa buhay. Wala nang kagalit, wala nang bigat sa loob. This is December, this is a time for love, Kaya as you head towards the end of the year, gusto ninyo siguro na malinis, wala din kayong kaaway, wala din kayong kagalit, What else? We have prosperity. Wow. Focus on the positive and more good will come. Ayan. Give thanks for blessings and they will multiply. Prosperity begins in the mind. So halos pareha sila ni gratitude, na maraming paparating na biyaya sa inyo, Taurus. Kaya iniimbitahan kayo rito na matuto kayo magpasalamat sa mga blessings, mag-project lang kayo ng positivity, positive mindset, positive attitude, para nang sa gayon magdoble-doble pa, mag-multiply pa kung ano yung mga blessings na meron na kayo, ano pa yung ibibigay sa inyo, mas dadami pa ang dadating na magagandang bagay, sitwasyon, What else? We have action. Stop hesitating. Movement creates the magic. Nothing can hold you back. Ayan. So, take action na kayo, Taurus. Maaaring marami na kayong plano, marami kayong idea. Pero, hindi ninyo ma-experience yan sa inyong 3D reality if there's no movement na gagawin kayo. Kung hindi kayo magte-take action, edi wala. 'Di ba? Walang mangyayari dyan. It will remain to be your idea or plan lang, nasa isip nyo lang yan. Kaya ngayon, maybe may mga opportunities na around you, 'di ba, that will support or help you para ma-carry out ninyo kung ano man ang mga plano ninyo. Kaya take action na, no? Take action na kayo. Sacred space, take time for the dreamer in you. Find your power in stillness. In your sacred space is the peace you seek. Ayan. So, siguro, gusto ninyo na magmuni-muni, magnilay-nilay, do so. No? Mag-meditate kayo, Taurus. That is one way of, experiencing peace. Kasi kapag nasa meditation mode tayo, parang nawawala lahat. Mind chatter, yung mga gulo, sa isip, nawawala yan because we are connecting with ourself. We're connecting with our heart, connecting to our higher self, to our soul. Kaya try meditation, no? And you definitely find that peace na hinahanap ninyo. Mararamdaman ninyo yan. We have clarity, yan. At yung clarity na to, mahahanap ninyo yan because of this. No, malilinawan ang inyong isipan, makakalma kayo, you will be back to your center, no? Masisentro ninyong muli ang sarili ninyo, kaya magkakaroon kayo ng kagaanan sa inyong isipan, sa inyong dibdib, yung gano'n. So, banish the fog of illusion, open your eyes to the truth, remember the perfection of who you are. Ayan, so, kung ano man hinahanap ninyo ngayong kalinawan sa inyong sitwasyon, you will definitely find that, no? And yung pag-retreat ninyo, pag-meditate, reflection, introspection, that could help you a lot. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.